Hi, I'm Dusty with Flame Innovation. Today we want to talk about the Caboose model. This model is fully UL and CSA, Canadian Safety Standard tested, so that you can get insurance if you're putting it in a tiny home or something, a tree house or a greenhouse or whatever, or putting it in as an emergency heat source. If your power goes out, you've got a way to heat and you've got a way to cook. You can mount this stove on the floor. It has 6-inch tall legs. You've got to be on a hearth pad, and then you'll want to keep the stove 12 to 16 inches away from clearance for combustibles. The stove does have a heat shield that wraps all the way around to this side. And when you mount it on the wall, this mount has a double heat shield, has an optional spot if you want to put a fan on it. It takes a 4x4 inch standard bolt pattern single squirrel cage fan that you can find just about any place that sells fans. We don't sell the fan here, but it is prepped for a fan of your choice. You can buy those fans that are single speed, or you can put a speed controller on them. That really helps move the air. A lot of people will put a fan on top, wood stove fan that starts spinning, create their own electricity. You can heat a bigger space. So this will heat 200 to about 800 square feet. You'll get burn times of around 4 to 6 hours on a load of fuel. It's all 3/16 construction. The stove collar is 1/4 inch. It has a brick baffle from here, it's about this elevation, across, so you get some secondary combustion with your air wash here. So the air comes through these 3 holes, it hits a stainless steel plate inside the stove, and it kicks it down your glass. So it really does a nice job of keeping your glass clean. You've got a stainless steel trim ring, stainless steel acorn nuts on here for a little aesthetics on the stove, give it a little depth. You've got a really nice handle here for opening and closing. It's got notches on it, so as your door seats in, your door is fully gasketed. So the door seats in, your handle, you can continue to get it tighter so that you end up with a really nice sealed door. After about 3 or 4 burns, your gasket will seal in. Like I said, it's neo-ceramic glass in here, so it's just about unbreakable for, if you hit it with a piece of wood or something like that. It's supposed to stand up to water shock. Obviously, you don't want to try that, but that's why they make this type of ceramic glass, is it holds up to things like that. Once again, the wall kit, you can put it any height that you want. That makes it a 0 clearance to your wall. The wall is completely cold behind it because we've got 2 layers, even if you don't put the fan on there. You've got bricks up here, like I was saying before, to help hold the heat and the gases in there before they come around here and come out, to get that secondary combustion. It's a really nice flame fire. We can build this stove. Basically, we can mirror finish it so that your stove handle, rather than being on the right, would be on the left. Both of them still open toward your wall. But as you see on our website, you can order it with a left-hand door or a right-hand door. Probably 80% of people order them with the right, but there is that option. And we want people to be able to know that they can switch the stove around. So your exhaust becomes over here. It's basically a mirrored stove. I'm Dusty with Flame Innovation. Thanks for watching.